Vertusio, the shout-out app for industries, businesses, and services.
Modern agriculture technology. Modern agriculture requires more innovation than ever. The sector faces tremendous problems from growing supply prices, workforce shortages, and shifting customer aspirations for transparency and sustainability. Agriculture firms are increasingly aware that solutions are required. With $6.7 billion invested in the previous 5 years and $1.9 billion only last year, agriculture technology has experienced a massive rise in investment. Technology advancements include indoor vertical farming, livestock, advanced greenhouses techniques, and precision agriculture. Indoor farming. Indoor vertical farming may enhance agricultural yields, overcome land constraints, and even reduce environmental effects by reducing supply chain distance. Growing vegetables piled one on top of the other in a regulated atmosphere is indoor vertical farming. Using vertical growing shelves minimizes the area needed to produce plants compared to standard farming methods because it can survive in small spaces. This cultivation is commonly connected with urban farming. Some vertical farms don't require soil for plants to flourish. It's either hydroponic or aeroponic, where the plant roots are sprayed with water and nutrients. Artificial grow lights replace natural sunshine. Indoor vertical farming has several benefits. From improving crop productivity to reducing labor expenses, vertical farming can regulate elements like light, humidity, and water to increase food production year-round. Vertical farms utilize up to 70% less water than conventional crops. Using robots for harvesting, planting, and logistics reduces labor costs and helps farms overcome workforce shortage. Automated farming. Farm automation, sometimes known as smart farming, is a technology that streamlines the agricultural or livestock production cycle. Drones, autonomous tractors, robotic harvesters, automated watering, and seeding robots are all being developed by corporations. Despite the newness of these technologies, established agriculture enterprises are increasingly adopting farm automation. Robotics. Robotics, drones, and computer vision software have all revolutionized modern agriculture. The fundamental purpose of agricultural automation is to automate routine operations. Farms regularly use harvest automation, autonomous tractors, planting and weeding, and drones. Agricultural automation technologies address population growth, labor problems, and changing consumer tastes. Consumer preferences, labor shortages, and the environmental impact of farming may all be addressed by automating conventional farming procedures. Agriculture technology for livestock. The traditional cattle business is often disregarded and underserved, despite its importance. Livestock is a vital source of renewable natural resources. Traditionally, livestock management has included managing poultry, dairy, cattle, and other livestock-related agribusinesses. In addition to overseeing employees, livestock managers must maintain correct financial records. Recent developments show that technology is transforming cattle management. The greenhouse of the future. Over the past few decades, greenhouses have developed from small research and aesthetic facilities, i.e., botanic gardens, to large-scale facilities that directly compete with land-based traditional food production. Global greenhouse output already exceeds $350 billion yearly, with less than 1% coming from the United States. In recent years, the market has seen distinct tendencies and spectacular growth. Modern greenhouses utilize LED lights and computerized control systems to customize the growth environment. To meet the ever-increasing demand for local food, successful greenhouse enterprises are ramping up and locating near metropolitan centers. With these goals in mind, the greenhouse business is increasingly relying on venture capital and other investment sources to build up the infrastructure required to compete in today's market. Precision farming. Technology is becoming an essential aspect of any commercial farm. Farmers may increase yields by regulating crop variables such as moisture, insect stress, soil conditions, and microclimates. Precision agriculture helps farmers boost efficiency and save costs by improving crop planting and growth procedures. Precision agricultural enterprises have large growth potential. According to research, precision agriculture will reach $43.4 billion by 2025. A new generation of farmers prefers quicker, more flexible businesses that enhance agricultural output. Technology for monitoring soil quality. For more than 20 years, we've strengthened our soils and made our fields more uniform through crop mapping and variable rate applications. For many years, Farmers have found soil monitoring to be a time-consuming task. Using ground probes to collect soil samples from presumed optimal places does not necessarily provide an accurate picture of soil quality. Soil sampling can be automated using newly available soil monitoring equipment. Soil sample harvesting machines are GPS-guided, may be programmed to pull samples at particular intervals and capture data during harvest for later remembrance and analysis. Blockchain's capacity to maintain ownership records and resist tampering can be used to solve important concerns in the present food system, such as food fraud, safety recalls, supply chain inefficiency, and food traceability. Blockchain's unique decentralized structure ensures verified items and methods, resulting in a transparent market for premium products. Food traceability has been at the forefront of recent food safety debates, particularly in light of recent breakthroughs in blockchain applications. Because perishable food is perishable, the food sector is very vulnerable to making mistakes that could endanger human lives. When foodborne infections endanger public health, the first step in the root cause analysis is to identify the source of contamination, and there is no room for error.
If you've enjoyed watching this video, then give this video a like and share with a friend. Also click on the subscribe button below to be notified as new videos are released.